in the area going to our boarding area, no? Korean maingay. So taking the very early morning Cebu Pacific flight. We're going boarding area. Naghanap tayo ng shop na open but close na eh. Yung mga shop, the walls are this ano ito? Tunay na mga plants ba to? This portion close na yung mga pasalubong area. Open na yung tobacco at saka liquor. Hindi naman tayo bibili ng liquor. You have the more exclusive shops here. I think we're going here. Right side. It's Hermes. Another shop. This is for London. A7. It's past midnight na. Ngayon. Let's check kung ano yung boarding gate ng Cebu Pacific. I think here, no? Let us see. So you have Ralph Lauren. You have Omega here. Eternity. You have it's 12:36. May oras. It's a long walk, no? From immigration. So we are here at the Taoyuan International Airport in Taipei. We're waiting for our flight at 2 o'clock in the morning. We waited here and these benches kanina, daming tao, but we came here very early because natapos yung car rentals na mga 4 o'clock. And then the car rental company delivered us to the airport here for free. Para siyang marketing nila, no? But let us check yung ayan 2 o'clock. Ayan, no? 5J11 2:15 yung alis. Kaya tayo dito. They have these vending machines here. Ito na yung open ata, no, in the morning. Exercise ng pagising. Now we're waiting for our flight at 2 o'clock. Dito kami. I think A2 or A3. They have this, ano ba to dito? butterfly garden, kung fu massage. Ano, kakaratingin ka. Kung fu massage here. Then vending machines here. We are here in A2 or A3. Dito na yung waiting area. So I have just to walk siguro here. Lakad pababa, exercise. Mga Pinoy hindi nag-aantay. Okay, signing up here. Somebody is asleep here.